Look at this lock. It's like ridiculous. This is a Kryptonite Evolution. It is a New York series. Look how thick these are. Like, here's my finger. It's like the size of my finger. Thick. This particular one's only 4 foot, 3¼ foot, something like that. But this is just one of my locks. I have 3 currently, kind of 4. This is the kind of 4. So a U-lock, it's just a basic U-lock I got off Amazon. It had really good reviews. It's got a rubber coating on it so it doesn't damage your bike or anything like that when you have it attached. It has a little frame attachment, so when you slide this down you can lock it and it just stays in your frame. It's really nice. Came with a cable, and I used this to lock my back wheel to my frame, and then I wrapped this around my seat, so I'll show you that in another video. And finally we got this. This is called a disc brake alarm. Basically what you do is you just slip this on your front disc brake and you push this down and it sounds a little beep sound. And if somebody tampers with your e-bike, it'll hopefully scare them off. They're going to have a problem getting into it if you have the other locks anyways. But so this is just a reminder cable that you put this down. I'm not going to do it because it makes a really loud noise. But when you get it on your disc brake, you just push this down and it sounds a little beep just to let you know it's secure. Then you take this cable and you wrap it around your handlebar, basically.
Moments later.
So I have 3 to 4 locks on my bike, and I will demonstrate how I lock and secure my bike. But we also have these, so if they do get my bike, we can have some GPS, sort of GPS tracking, and I'll show you how this works and explain it in a future video. But this is something I'm working on, so stay tuned. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update and show you some of the new accessories I got for my bike. And I'm going to start doing a little bit more raw videos like this that aren't as highly produced, just to get more videos out to you guys, produce more content. So it does come with this little case, little pouch, Velcro, and you can strap this on the frame of your bike if you want. I will eventually get a bag for my bike to put all this stuff in. That'll be in my accessory video. I did pick up this bag. This is a frame bag, and it should fit perfectly in the slot for where my battery is. I'll show you, but I'm going to install this soon. But right now it just has some tools for bike repair. This is an air pump. Has a little screen on it to tell you things and a flashlight, and then there's a little cable for pumping. It goes right up there in that brass part. Tire patch kit. Never leave home without it. You never know what's going to happen, and of course you definitely want to carry a air pump with you. I'm not going to turn this on because it's loud, but yeah, this air pump is really nice, has pretty good reviews. It charges via USB. It's got a little port here, and then you use this cable that comes with it. So I'll be doing a video about all this stuff in my accessory video. The security stuff will also be going in a separate video, so stay tuned for that. This is just a quick one today. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you all pretty soon.